Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel as yet and it's your first time logging onto the channel, please subscribe, share and leave positive comment. In today's video I'm going to make a lovely tea, and this might be unusual to you but it have health benefit. I'm going to make apple, cloves and garlic tea. Apple is good for stress. It's also good for nausea, and it's good for Alzheimer's. Help you to relax also. Cloves is a natural antibiotic. It's good for digestive system. It's good for your respiratory tract and help boost immune system. And it's also good for bad breath. It's good for ulcer. Garlic, very powerful natural antibiotics. It's good for your urinary tract and it's good for your skin and fight inflammation and help to take the mucus out your system. So let's start. So here, cloves, water is boiling. You're gonna drop it in. You don't need to use a lot of cloves. You need one garlic. Just cut it, drop it in. Then I'm gonna cut some apples. So apple, you can use whatever apple you want. This is very healthy. You can drink this in the morning or before you go to bed. You drop it in, let it boil just to extract all the nutrients out. So at this point, I'm gonna put some lemon zest in it. This is very healthy. I urge you to try this tea. You have nothing to lose. Very healthy. Clean your system, healthy skin. As you can see, it starts to look a little bit different already. Look at that. Very nice and healthy. So before you go to bed, make sure you drink a cup of this midday and early morning on empty tummy. So now I'm going to squeeze some piece of lemon in. Because this is ready now, so I'm gonna turn it off. Now I have my teapot I'm just going to pour it in. Cover this. And my cup is there. Take a couple bits of apple in this. And a bit of zest over it. And a couple bit of cloves. So there you have it, guys. Nice and healthy tea. Let me give it a go. Wow. Very nice and refreshing. Also, you can put some lovely organic honey in it if you like. If you need more lemon in it, you can do so. So guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to share, subscribe, like, and leave positive comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace be unto you all.